Hi everyone, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a fun unboxing of a giveaway that I won off YouTube, and this is from the talented Andrea, who's Crafty Mom of Two here on YouTube and Instagram, and I'll leave her link down below. She is new to YouTube, and go check out her channel. She's super talented, and you should totally subscribe. So I'm so excited that I won. I could totally use any kind of Happy Meal at this point. I just haven't had much mojo, and this just came out like the perfect timing. I know I always say that, but doesn't Happy Meal just make you happy? So, anyway, she wrote me a very sweet note, and I did open the card. But this is I just want to show you her card. This is, I think I have this kit too. It is one of those Fuse Tool card kits, and look how simple this is. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, as my son says. So I'm just gonna get into this gorgeous package. This little embellishment, and this comes in this really fun, look how pretty this pink bag is. It's like a fun pearlescent, and this has to be like a Daiso bag. I am so jelly of you people on the West Coast that can have stores open. Ugh, I hope New York can get there soon. I miss walking down the aisles of stores. So, anyways, look at these embellishments. Oh, these swans are gorgeous. Ooh, how pretty are these? I love them. Thank you so much, Andrea. They're so beautiful. And this is the flat mail that I won, and I'm so excited because our girlfriend can totally use inspiration at this point. Shake out all of the little shaker bits. And look how gorgeous this is. Wow. So she used the carousel collection, but look at all the details. So it got a little squish in the mail, but it is nonetheless stunning. She stitched this whole flower. All the little details really make a difference. This little dream piece is gorgeous. I love the way you use this tool. Stunning. And here's the back. There's our little label. How beautiful. And then I'm just going to open this up. So pretty. And this is sturdy. It's so sturdy. So she has her little flower embellishments. Ooh, and look at this little cute little topper. I know I saw the video, but just opening it and holding it in your own hand, it's so different. And now let's see. Oh, and she has embellishments here. Wow, this thing is made so well. I'm just like amazed by this. These flowers are so cute. And then she included these gorgeous ruffle shakers that her sister, Disco Dolly 456, and I'll leave the link down below, but look how beautiful these are on my bucket list of things to make, and I'm so glad I get to hold them so I can totally get inspo. I love these. Look at the colors. Ugh, so happy. Okay. And then in this little pocket here, we have little clusters. She's made this really sturdy. Andrea, you have to do a tutorial of this. It's so great. And, oh, little heart embellishment. Let's see. I'm just going to open this. That's so cute. It's a layered heart embellishment with the carousel collection. I love the banner. I'm like obsessed with banners, so it's so pretty. I love it. And just how you stitched around it. And this is sturdy. She doubled up. Oh, okay. So pretty. I love this so much. I love this little book contraption that you made. Everything you created for me was so, well, not for me, but for the giveaway was so beautiful. I'm so happy to be a winner. Thank you, Andrea, for picking me. And go check out her channel. She's very talented, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.